Um, Hello, I am Alana, and I'm going to be your instructor for DES 341 for the Monday, Wednesday sessions. There's one from 9 to 11:50, and then there's another one from 12 to 3 or 2:50 Monday and Wednesday. So if you are in those sessions, I am your instructor. So a little bit about me. I'm going to try to keep this brief because I'll tell you more about me anyway. But yeah, this is my starting my third year at PSU. I am a mixed up artist and developer, so I do both code and art. Most of the time not together. I'm trying to make them come together, but this class is basically you're all generally juniors and seniors, occasionally sophomore, um, but you will be making interactive websites. So I'm going to get you to do what you do well, which is design something. We'll talk a lot about like um, designing for the web versus designing for print, and then you're going to code. So we're going to learn some HTML, some CSS, some JavaScript, and you're going to hack basically a lot of websites together using code from here and there. If you've never coded before, don't worry. Most people who take this class have never coded before. You are not going to be graded on the perfection of your code. You're going to be graded on getting the job done, getting stuff to work more or less, and having a good time and showing up and all that good stuff. So enough for that for now. Okay. We'll mostly be working in Basecamp. So if you've taken other graphic design classes, a lot of them use Basecamp. So hopefully you're familiar with that. And I'll also have sort of like a website that's got more resources for you. So code snippets, inspiring websites, things like that. I'll have you do just a really basic design journal throughout the term so that you can keep a record of code that you find that you might want to use, things that went well, not so well, blah, 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 all that stuff. But yeah, like Basecamp is basically home base. So most of you got an invite from me for Slack, and the graphic design department decided to create a Slack channel for all graphic design students and faculty so that you have that sort of natural hallway conversation place that you're missing from us not being together. So feel free to just, go crazy up there and have fun, share stuff that you find. It's really supposed to be a place for you all to share ideas. And I'm gonna probably send out a Google form to kind of make sure that I have all of those things for you. More soon. I will be doing a sort of flipped classroom kind of deal. They're calling it, that's what the cool kids are calling it, where a lot of our lessons will be in video. So you'll be looking at me talking. Actually, no, you'll be looking at my screen. That'll be better. Maybe I can wear costumes. But lots of hopefully quick short videos that are kind of in the series that you can do a lot of the work with on your own outside of class time. And then in class, which will be probably like our main class time, will be an hour to maybe an hour and a half sometimes, where we're together in class in the beginning of that. So either 9 to 10:30ish or 12 to 1:30ish, we'll do sort of group work together. The rest of that time is going to be troubleshooting, pairing up, that kind of thing. Most of that will happen within the regular time of the class, although we can kind of, because it's remote, we can stretch that out and kind of make it work however we want. And I really want you all to have a lot of say in how the class is sort of built. Okay, that and that, and what else? What else? Please, yeah, I don't know. Please show your face. It's so hard. It is so hard to teach on Zoom with no faces. Please, I know some days you you don't feel like it, but just every day, try, please, like, just, I'm begging you, please. It's so hard to talk to squares. Moving squares, way better. Okay, and then that, I think that's all I really want to say. I'm so excited. This class is so fun. It's really frustrating, I'll tell you right now. It's super frustrating, but then you make the coolest stuff, and all I want is for you to have fun. So even if you are frustrated, I want you to have a fun time being frustrated, but don't get like frustrated. Just happy frustrated. Okay, I'll see you next week. Thank you.